Chapter 21, Part 3. And here we're going to use que to introduce an exclamation, and that's usually translated as how or what or something like that. We can have a lot of flexibility here. So back to Red Riding Hood and the wolf, her description of the wolf. Que tes dents sont pointues. That might be translated, how your teeth are sharp. Or we could say, my, what sharp teeth you have. But it's que tes dents sont pointues. Pointues, past participle of pointed. So how your teeth are sharp. Que tu as de grandes oreilles. My, you have large ears, or what large ears you have. So tu avoir, oreille is feminine, so it'll be grande. We put the de changes to de before an adjective. What large ears you have. Now, note we use que when we have a complete clause after it, but when we have just a noun expression, we use quelle. Quelle grandes oreilles. What large ears. So quelle or que can both be used to introduce an exclamation. Now, que can also be used to intensify or with we or no questions. Ce sont de grandes pattes que les vôtres. So here we have the main sentences. These are ce sont de grandes pattes. These are large paws que les vôtres. So this is used to intensify. These are large paws. So we might want to say in English, those are large paws you have there. So the you have there doesn't really add anything there. It just kind of intensifies those are large paws, just like que les vôtres doesn't really add anything. It just intensifies it. Or we could say your paws are really large. Mes oreilles sont grandes? Je pense que non. So the wolf asks, my ears are big? And then he says, in grandmother's voice, Je pense que non. I think not. I think that no, but it means I don't think so, or I think no, think not. Est-ce que je veux te manger? Do I want to eat you? Again, the wolf says, Je pense que oui. I think so. And then he ate Little Red Riding Hood. Another use of ne or of que is with the Noku expressions. These are the ones that are really hard to translate because it changes meaning so much. It means only. The ne with some verb in it might also be translated. The Noku with a verb like faire might also be translated as nothing but. Je ne veux que te manger. That means the Noku can be translated as only or nothing but. I want only to eat you, or I want nothing but to eat you. Petit chaperon rouge ne fait que pleurer. So Little Red Riding Hood ne fait que pleurer. That means does nothing but cry. So this ne fait que means she does nothing else other than cry. Or it means she only cries. Que ne puis-je me sauver? If only I could escape is how we could translate this. This que gets translated as an exclamation, and the ne puis-je is, in a sense, part of the que there, the ne que expression, so it has an only sense. And this isn't a very common expression, but when you come across it, it's really confusing. But the idea is, que ne puis-je, if only I could do something. Me sauver would be from the verb se sauver, to escape. If only I could escape. Now we've also got que used in indefinite expressions where we have an indefinite pronoun. Quoique le loup ait mangé, le bûcheron le retirait de son ventre. So this would be the quoi, whatever that the wolf had eaten, or the wolf ate. So this is the past subjunctive because quoi que always takes the subjunctive. So whatever that the wolf might have eaten or whatever the wolf ate, le bûcheron, that's the lumberjack, le retirer. Retirer means to pull out. It's the imperfect. The lumberjack would pull it out from his stomach, son ventre. So whatever the wolf ate, the lumberjack would remove it from his stomach. Or whatever the wolf may have eaten, the lumberjack would remove it from his stomach. Si petite qu'elle fût, le loup ne l'a pas digérée. So here we've got this however small, si petite, so small that she might, however small she might have been. Oh, now what is this tense? The fût. That's the imperfect of the subjunctive. The circumflex over the vowel gives it away. So however small she might have been, the wolf ne l'a pas digérée. So a negation around avoir. Digérée, digested. The wolf did not digest her. So however small she might have been, the wolf did not digest her. That way the story can have a happy ending. So for the translation here, we'll go back to Winnie the Pooh and work on these 6 statements and then correct them in the next video.